Ever since video conferencing exploded during the pandemic, two names have dominated the conversation: Zoom and, well, Zoom mostly. But there's another player in the game, RingCentral, and it's leaving some folks wondering, is RingCentral just Zoom? The short answer? Not quite. While both platforms offer video conferencing, they have distinct strengths and target audiences. Let's dive deeper and see which one might be the perfect fit for you. Ringing in the focus on phones. RingCentral started as a VoIP, voice over internet protocol, provider, essentially a fancy way of saying they focused on making calls over the internet. So, phone calls are ingrained in their DNA. Their core product, RingCentral MVP, offers a full suite of business phone features: voicemail transcription, auto attendance, call forwarding, the works. Zoom, on the other hand, entered the scene as a pure video conferencing platform. While they've added phone capabilities recently, it feels a bit bolted on, not as seamlessly integrated as RingCentral. The feature face-off. Let's get into the nitty-gritty. When it comes to video conferencing features, both platforms are pretty neck and neck. You've got screen sharing, breakout rooms, recording capabilities, the usual suspects. Zoom might edge out RingCentral in terms of sheer ease of use and a slightly more polished interface. However, RingCentral fights back with some unique features. Team messaging. RingCentral integrates messaging seamlessly into their platform, allowing you to chat with colleagues before, during, or after a video call, all within the same app. Zoom requires a separate app for this functionality. World-class analytics. RingCentral boasts robust analytics that track call performance, user engagement, and more. This can be a goldmine for businesses looking to optimize their communication workflows. Zoom's analytics are more basic in comparison. Integrations galore. RingCentral integrates with a vast ecosystem of business tools like Salesforce, Zendesk, and Google Workspace. This allows for a truly unified communication experience. While Zoom offers integrations, the selection isn't quite as extensive. Cost considerations. A balancing act. Here's where things get interesting. Zoom generally has a lower starting price point, especially for basic video conferencing plans. But remember, with Zoom, phone features are an add-on cost. RingCentral's pricing might seem steeper at first glance, but it often bundles phone features and video conferencing into a single package. So, for businesses that need both phone and video capabilities, RingCentral might end up being the more cost-effective option in the long run. Who should choose RingCentral? If your business relies heavily on phone calls, integrates with multiple business tools, and prioritizes in-depth analytics, then RingCentral might be your champion. It's an all-in-one communication powerhouse, ideal for businesses that want to streamline their workflows and have a single pane of glass for all their communication needs. Who should choose Zoom? Zoom shines for its user-friendly interface, generally lower upfront costs, for video conferencing only, and the familiarity factor. Everyone seems to know how to use Zoom these days. So, if you primarily need a simple and reliable video conferencing solution without the bells and whistles, Zoom could be the answer. Different strokes for different folks. There's no clear-cut winner here. Both RingCentral and Zoom are excellent platforms, but they cater to different needs. Think about your core communication requirements, budget, and the size and technical expertise of your team. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.